Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Coinbase Wallet. If you're looking for a secure and user-friendly way to manage your cryptocurrency, Coinbase Wallet is the perfect choice. Begin by visiting the Coinbase Wallet website and creating your free account. Once you sign up, you'll see an intuitive interface designed to simplify crypto management. Coinbase Wallet allows you to store, trade, and send a variety of cryptocurrencies with ease. You could also connect to decentralized finance, DeFi, apps, and explore the growing world of NFTs, all in one place. To start, navigate to the dashboard, where your balance and holdings are displayed. From here, you can easily add funds to your wallet. Click Receive, choose your desired cryptocurrency, and copy the wallet address. Share this address with the sender, or use it to transfer assets from another wallet. Want to buy cryptocurrency directly? Select Buy on the dashboard. You'll be prompted to choose your payment method, which can include bank transfers or credit/debit cards. Coinbase Wallet ensures all transactions are protected with top-notch security. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another standout feature of Coinbase Wallet is its NFT compatibility. Go to the NFTs tab to view and manage your collection. You could also browse popular NFT marketplaces and purchase unique digital assets. For those interested in staking, Coinbase Wallet provides integrated options to earn rewards by holding specific cryptocurrencies. Access the staking section, select your preferred crypto, and start earning instantly. To ensure your wallet remains secure, always enable two-factor authentication and regularly update your password. With these features, Coinbase Wallet is a comprehensive tool for both beginners and seasoned crypto users. Sign up today using the link in the description to claim your bonus and begin your journey with Coinbase Wallet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.